Hello, maths lovers. This is Ural. Today, I am going to be solving an amazing question I got from one of the competition I went recently. This is the question on the board. Particularly, it reads that if a plus b is equal to 4 and a times b is equal to 3, then what is the value of a cubed plus b cubed? Option A is 9, option B is 35, option C is 28, and option D is 20. Okay, now the question is from algebraic identity, particularly the sum of two cubes. You can see the a cube plus b cube is the sum of two cubes. So that is the point I am going to start from in solving this particular question. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscription button for you to get great content like this and more. Thank you. So, solution. So, like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is to write out the expression for the sum of two cubes, which is a cube plus b cube, and is equal to open bracket a plus b and close bracket and open bracket a square minus, there's a minus here in sum, ab plus b square, close bracket. Okay, so that this is the first step. So I want to rearrange, let's rearrange this particular bracket. We now have a plus b, close bracket, and a square plus b square minus ab, close bracket. So this is a sum of two cubes. All right. So now in the question we have an a plus b. Also in the question we have a times b. So let's keep a times b and let's work with a plus b first. A plus b is equal to 4 is given in the question. So the first thing we're going to do here is to square it. So let's square this both sides. Square the both sides. So square both sides. So square both sides of this, we now have a plus b square is equal to, let me put it in bracket, 4 square. Now, a plus b, if you remember what we did in our previous lesson, we have a plus b, which is called the sum of two squares. The sum of two squares. Okay, so we are going to break this down and see where it leads us and apply it to solving this particular question. So it's 16, and this a plus b square is the same thing as a plus b, close bracket and open bracket a plus b. So we need to expand this. So by expanding this multiplies this as a multiplied by a is a square, also plus 2ab plus b square, and is equal to what? 16. Good. Looking at this, we can rearrange, right? Let's rearrange this before we now substitute our b, that's a times b. So we now have a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to what? 16. Now, ab is given to us as 3 up there. You can see. So we now have that a square plus b square plus 2 open bracket 3 is equal to what? 16. Good. Equal to 16. So 2 times 3 is what? 2 times 3 is 6. Let me roll a line here for us to complete it. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have a square plus b square 2 plus 6 is equal to what? 16. So if we take 6 to the other side, if this 6 crosses equality sign to this side, it becomes a minus. So we now have a square plus b square to be equal to 16 minus 6. And 16 minus 6 is what? 10. So we have a square plus b square to be equal to what? 10. Good. So finally we've established that a square plus b square is 10. and we're given a plus b as 4. Also, we have our what? A times b as 3. So the question is completely solved. So what we are going to do is we are going to substitute them all in this particular expression and finally get our complete answer. So I am going to rewrite the expression here before I substitute. This is a cubed plus b cubed to be equal to open bracket a plus b close bracket open bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared close bracket. So we now have a plus b. A plus b is given to us as 4, which is 4 here in bracket. Let me put it in bracket. Now, if we rearrange this particular bracket, is a squared plus b squared minus ab, right? So this is equal to 4 open bracket close bracket open bracket. Now a plus b, a squared b squared is 10, so we have 10 here, and a b, that's a times b, is what? 3. So we have 3 here, close the bracket. Also 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is what? 7. So by 7, which is equal to 28. So the correct option to this question is 28. So this is a cubed plus b cubed. So thank you for watching.